For the last several days, we've been working with ordered pairs. We're going to continue that today, and I'm going to do a little bit of a shift and show you something just a little bit different. So did you know that when you're dealing with a coordinate grid, you can actually find the distance between 2 points when the points are along the same horizontal or vertical lines? So you can see here, I have 2 points labeled. B is at 9, 9. A is at 9, 3. If I want to know the difference between point A and point B, I simply need to draw a line segment to connect those 2 points. And then I'm simply going to count the vertical units. Okay, so in this case, it's vertical units because they're up and down. Now, if we had another point over here, it would be side to side. So let's talk about it. I'm going to draw my line segment to connect my points. And now I need to determine how many units separate them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 units between A and B. Now let's draw another one. I'm going to put another point on here and we'll see if we can tell the difference. Now I'm going to use my knowledge of ordered pairs and I'm going to make one up. Three, 3. So I need to go X first, 1, 2, 3, and then I need to use my Y-axis, 1, 2, 3. We'll call this point C. So this is point C. If I wanted to know the units between C and A, I would draw my line segment and I would simply say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There would be 6 units between C and A. Now let's try another one. Let's do 5, 9. So I start with my x-axis and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I'm making mistakes. Look at me. I go my x-axis first, so that's 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have to go up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can come out here and you can check it. That checks out. So that is going to be point D, letter D. And if I wanted to know the difference between B and D, I could just count. I could draw my line segment. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So there would be 4 points between D and B. If I wanted to know the difference between C and D, or let me draw another point. Let's draw another point. Let's try 3, 10. We're going to call that letter E. Sorry, your teacher is a mess today. Go over 3, 1, 2, 3, and go up 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's going to be letter E. If I wanted to know the difference between C and E, I just draw my line segment and then I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I also know, so there's a difference between C and E of 7 units. I can also do that because I know that C is at 0.33 and E is at 0.310. So I can just subtract the y-axis totals. I can just do 10 minus 3 and get 7. It's however you want to do it. I hope this makes sense, and I hope you can use it to find the difference between your units and your points on a coordinate grid.